Hi everyone, welcome to our channel DIY with Kanchan. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and hit the ring bell for the notifications of new videos I post almost every week. So today we'll be learning how to make a rose out of a felt paper. You can use this rose to make a clip. You can use it on the dresses. You can make bunch of these flowers and you can keep it on the center table. So let's get started. So to make this, you just need few things like felt paper, a hair clip if you're making a clip, some pearl stickers and a hot glue gun. So our beautiful hair clip is ready. You can use this rose not only on the hair clip, you can use it on the hairband, you can use it on the dresses, you can make bunch of the flowers and you can keep it in any of the corner of your house, and you can use it for the decor as well. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you like this video, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up, do subscribe our channel, and if you're new to our channel, watch my other videos as well. Till then, see you next time. Bye bye.